Assalamualaikum dan selamat sejahtera. Nama saya Abdul Rezza bin Abdul Rahman dan nombor saya ialah 10 DTK 19F1020. Dan sekarang saya akan terangkan mengenai discussion untuk practical work 4. Discuss on the observed result based on practical activity and PBL. Explain how the MQTT works. For part D, we establish a connection between MQTT box and Node-RED gauge. We set the MQTT in Node-RED, a topic name and a broker server we want to use, which is HiveMQ, and also set the setting in MQTT box to publish the topic name and make it use the same broker server. After that, for part E, we install and use IoT MQTT panel app on our phone. We set the IoT MQTT panel app to connect to Node-RED gauge the same way as we did for part D. We publish using the same topic and also set it to use the same broker server as Node-RED MQTT. We learned that whatever load value we set in the MQTT box or IoT MQTT panel, it will be sent and displayed in the Node-RED gauge. Sampai sini aja saya terang mengenai education. Lepas ni saya akan serahkan kepada Shang Yi pula untuk terangkan mengenai conclusion. Terima kasih.
In this practical work 4, we learn to write code to establish internet connection. We accomplish this by setting out the topic and server for the MQTT in Node-RED. After that, we learn to write code to public and subscribe MQTT. We set out the MQTT block a cyclic and set it with the same topic and server as we already set graph in Node-RED. Lastly, we learn to apply writing sample IoT application for monitor sensor reading with Node-RED dashboard. We did this workboard for part D and E by connecting the MQTT box to the Node-RED and display the gates and graph on the dashboard.